Cooking is not just a chore, it's an art. Whether you're preparing a hearty breakfast, a quick lunch, or a gourmet dinner, having the right cookware can make all the difference. Enter this GreenLife 12-inch, 5-quart square electric skillet, a versatile, stylish, and highly functional kitchen appliance designed to elevate your cooking game. In this review, we'll dive deep into its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have for every home cook. Key features of the GreenLife 12-inch 5-quart square electric skillet. 1. Healthy ceramic nonstick coating. One of the standout features of this skillet is its ceramic nonstick coating, free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This ensures not only safer cooking, but also healthier meals for your family. Plus, the nonstick surface means you can cook with minimal oil, making it perfect for anyone looking to maintain a balanced diet. 2. Versatile 5-in-1 design. The GreenLife electric skillet is not just a skillet, it's a do-it-all solution. With this single appliance, you can sear, sauté, griddle, stir-fry, steam, bake. From lasagna and pancakes to chicken stir-fry and grilled sandwiches, the possibilities are endless. It's like having multiple kitchen appliances in one compact design. 3. Generous capacity for family meals. The 5-quart capacity and 12-inch by 12-inch surface area provide ample room to cook large portions. Whether you're making a big batch of stir-fry for dinner or grilling multiple sandwiches for breakfast, this skillet has you covered. Its spacious design makes it perfect for families or entertaining guests. 4. Quick and even heating. Crafted from durable aluminum, the skillet ensures fast and even heating. This means your meals cook more efficiently, saving you time without compromising on quality. Whether you're flipping pancakes or roasting vegetables, the consistent heat distribution guarantees professional-level results. 5. Adjustable temperature control. The one-knob temperature control allows you to easily dial in your desired temperature for precise cooking. Whether you need a gentle simmer or a high-heat sear, this feature puts you in complete control of your culinary creations. 6. Cool touch handles for safety. Cooking can get intense, but with the GreenLife electric skillet's Stay Cool handles, you'll never have to worry about burns. The sturdy, ergonomic design ensures comfortable and safe handling, even when the skillet is at its hottest. 7. Non-slip stability. The skillet is designed with non-slip bottom legs, offering extra stability on your countertop. This ensures that your cooking experience is both safe and seamless, even during vigorous stirring or flipping. 8. Tempered glass lid with steam vent. The tempered glass lid lets you monitor your food as it cooks without lifting the lid and losing heat. The steam vent ensures that your meals cook evenly, while the Cook and Look feature adds convenience to your kitchen routine. 9. Easy cleanup. Hate scrubbing pots and pans? With this electric skillet, cleanup is a breeze. Simply wipe it clean after use, and you're done. Its non-stick surface ensures that food doesn't stick, reducing cleanup time significantly. Why choose the GreenLife 12-inch 5-quart square electric skillet? Efficiency and convenience. This skillet is a powerhouse of convenience, combining multiple cooking functions into one appliance. Its quick heating and easy cleanup make it a go-to choice for busy households. Healthier cooking. Thanks to the ceramic nonstick coating, you can cook with less oil while avoiding exposure to harmful chemicals. It's a win-win for health-conscious cooks. Stylish and functional design. The pink finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, making it both a functional and decorative piece. Who is this skillet for? The GreenLife electric skillet is ideal for families needing a large-capacity cooking solution, busy individuals looking for quick and efficient meal preparation, health-conscious cooks who want to reduce oil usage, anyone seeking a versatile and stylish addition to their kitchen. Final verdict? Is the GreenLife 12-inch electric skillet worth it? Absolutely. The GreenLife 12-inch 5-quart square electric skillet offers a perfect balance of functionality, safety, and style. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, this appliance is designed to make your life easier. With its durable construction, advanced features, and user-friendly design, it's a worthwhile investment for any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.